Today we're going to show you how you can create a beautiful, shoppable, shareable, commissionable listing in minutes. There's two ways that you can sign up. Go to serhant.palazzo.ai, sign up, and that's it. Start your listings. Or get invited by your admin. You know who they are. There's two ways that you can bring in your listings. Super easy, really simple steps. You can either create a listing from scratch by going through a few-step modal, or import your listing from a Zillow URL. I grabbed a Serhant URL, pop it in here, we're gonna import the listing. The listing is gonna bring in any of the images associated with the listing. You can select which ones you wanna keep, which ones you don't. Import the photos and your listing is gonna be created. All the information you need for this listing, all of the rooms automatically created with all of the images assigned to each room. Two ways to design. Maybe you're a little bit pressed for time. You need to do a bulk change to all of your images in a listing. You can do that straight from Vinci. Talk to Vinci, tell it, hey, refurnish my rooms in a modern style. Vinci will refurnish all of your rooms, take the refurnished designs, and add them to each room right next to your before. Maybe you're satisfied at this point. Jump right to your listing, click preview and publish. Maybe you want a little bit more control over the design. Maybe you want to specify what items go where. Grab one of your images, open a design session, and start designing. Once you're in here, there's two ways that you can design. Maybe you're a little bit more conversational. You can tell Vinci, make the floors lighter, for example. Vinci will be your design assistant. It will help guide you step by step. Maybe you want a little bit more of an interactive design experience. Maybe you want control about exactly where you place which items and in which orientation. Let's say, for example, I don't really love this side table. I can remove it. Maybe I don't love this coffee table. I want to replace it. Grab one that you love, pop it into the room. Drag it, place it, rotate it exactly the way you want it. The possibilities are endless. You can replace, remove, rearrange, add, anything you want. When you feel satisfied with your design, you can pop back over to your listing. You're ready to publish. When you're done designing and you feel satisfied with your listing, preview and publish. 2 clicks and you're live. Click on preview and publish, select the images that you want to include in your shareable listing, drag and drop the order in which you want your images to display. That's it. Preview and publish, see what it looks like, and you're live. There are many ways that you can share: email, text, QR code. This is the beautiful site that your clients will see, imagining themselves in this room with this furniture. They want to shop the items, they can do that. They want to go back to Vinci, they can go back to Vinci. Design, shop, add to cart. That's it. You want to share this listing in a few other ways, you can do that too. There's 2 other ways you can share this listing. First, you can export your photos. Maybe you need to port them to a specific place for a specific use. Or you need to share them on social. We've created your captions, your hashtags, your posts, your carousel. You can even generate a reel. Share it with your audience, and that's it. Minimal setup, beautiful, shoppable, commissionable, shareable listings in minutes.